Is Andrew Tate's course, The Real World, formerly known as Hustlers University, a scam? That's what I want to cover today and share my honest thoughts. And do I think that this program is any good at all, or do I think it's just another one of those course selling gurus that makes their money online? And so that's what we're going to dive into today. I'm going to share with you my thoughts. It doesn't mean it's objectively correct, but I'm just giving you what I think, and you can leave your own comments down below. So here's the deal. I hear a lot of people always online talk about, oh, Andrew Tate this, Andrew Tate that, course selling gurus, screw this guy, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? And all you hear is how Andrew Tate's a scammer. He makes all his money from his online course, Hustlers University, which is now formerly known as The Real World, which has 800,000 members in it. People are always shit talking it, right? And then some people have the audacity to come along and say, it's a scam. How? How could it be a scam? You pay to get exactly what he marketed for, and then you went in there and you sat on your fucking lazy ass and you did nothing and you expected to become a millionaire overnight. And that's absolute and complete and utter bullshit. The scam isn't the course, the scam is you. The scam is you because you didn't put in the work. The scam is you because you didn't actually attend all the lectures, watch all the courses, and actually go out into the world and apply and take the action. The scam is you. And this goes for not even just this course, but for every other course in the world. The scam isn't the course in and of itself. The scam is the person taking the course. Because how come there can be somebody who can join the course and make millions of dollars, and how come there can be somebody else that can join the course or the program or whatever you want to call it and make nothing? And then we have the audacity to say it's a scam. Well, clearly this person doesn't think though. Imagine if every time, you can see cars behind me, maybe, driving here, okay? Imagine if every time a red car crashed, we said, oh my goodness, we should never drive red cars because red cars are bad and red cars crash because one red car crashed. Would that be true? Or would we all laugh at you and say you're an idiot? Who would say that? No, it's not the car, it's the person driving the car. We go, that person driving that car is an idiot. The same way with this situation here. The real world itself is not a scam. The real world is the red car. And if some shit can who's never driven is going to go drive the red car in the snow, he's going to crash. But that doesn't mean you can blame it on the car. It's him. Because there's thousands of other people who drive every single day who don't crash in the same exact car. It's not the car that's the problem. It's the person that's the problem. And even if you go inside, you realize he gives you everything he gives you everything he promises and then some. And then some more. And the most powerful thing, the most people don't understand about that, the course in and of itself, the actual lectures, the trainings, all the stuff inside there, isn't even the most valuable part. The most valuable part is the network and the environment you're in, which is something people fail to see. When you're in a network environment of hundreds of thousands of people who are winning every single day, who are trying their best to become better, who are living up to their God-given potential, who are putting in the work, even without even looking through any of the resources, just being in that environment alone will make you better. Imagine if you're in a house by yourself. How hard would you work? Well, kind of hard. Imagine if you're in a house with 10 other guys who are waking up, standing at your door every single morning saying, hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Or when you're tired, they're like, hey, man, we're going to the gym. And there's 10 of them. What are you going to do? Are you going to sit there and say, oh, no, let me just watch my TikTok? No, you wouldn't. You would say, yeah, man, let's fucking go. And it's the same with that environment there. Not only is he giving you all the resources, the tools, the information, he's giving you an environment in which you can thrive. And so no, the course isn't a scam. And if you even have the audacity and the brain power to say that it's a scam, you are the scam. And I can also promise you that every single course, mentorship, coaching program, or networking community you ever join, you will also call a scam. Why? Because you don't put in the work. Because you have this false expectation that for some reason you're going to pay to join something, and magically overnight you're going to become a multi-millionaire. That's just not the way it works. It never has, and it never will. And even if that were the case, then it wouldn't be cool being a multimillionaire because everyone would be one. And if everybody in the world had a Lamborghini and that was the daily driver, it wouldn't be cool to have one. So no, Hustlers University, or now known as The Real World, is not a scam. The only scam about it is the people joining that don't put in the work. Not to mention that it's an absolute fraction of the cost of any formal education, of any coaching program out there, of any other course in the world. And it's by far way better. And so if you can't find a way to make an ROI on a couple $100 at this point? On a couple $100 in a year from being in an environment where people are only taking action and making money, the problem isn't the course, the problem is you. Because I could put 100 people in that course and know exactly who's going to win and who's not based on who they are as a person. The course isn't the problem. It's you that's the problem. You are the scam. You are the scam, not Andrew Tate. Because he actually went out there and made money. And now he's teaching you to do the same. And if you can do it, that's on you. That's not on him, because he's just teaching you what he knows. And so as far as I'm concerned, he's teaching you what he knew how to make money and then some. And you bought to learn how he made the money. and he's teaching you, and you're saying it's a scam, he's teaching you exactly what he knows. The scam is you because you can't make it work. So stop running around and tarnishing people's names because you're a lazy piece of shit that can't do anything. It's time to reality check yourself. It's time to take some responsibility, take some accountability for your own actions, realize, wow, this didn't work because I didn't put in the work. It's not because this thing didn't work. As a matter of fact, it was phenomenal. It didn't work because I chose to not make it work, because I chose to not give my entire energy to this. I chose to not fully go all in. I chose to slack. You need to, if you can hold yourself accountable, if you can realize this and humble yourself and get rid of your ego, you will become successful. Alex Shimozi, I was talking to him a couple weeks ago, and he even said that one of the most crucial, one of the characteristics he has is whenever he joins a program, course, mentorship, whatever the case may be, no matter what it is, no matter who it is, no matter how bad the teacher is, he always makes it his effort, his intention to try and become the best person in the program, regardless of how bad the teacher is. And so guess what happens? Even if the teacher is bad, if you try and become their best case study and you try to become the best, guess what will happen? Is you will. And even if the person's bad at teaching, you will get results. You will get results. But most people sit there and either they don't try or they don't believe in their teacher or a mix of both, and they go, I don't know if it'll work for me. And then guess what? They end up sitting at home on their phone scrolling TikTok, and then a month from now the next payment comes like, man, I didn't make any money. Screw this guy. He sucks. When the issue isn't the guy, it's you. You are the scam. You are the person that didn't make it work. The course works incredibly well. As a matter of fact, some of the lessons in there are incredibly valuable. Some of them may be a bit high level, right? But they're incredibly valuable, especially if you don't know them. If you didn't know those things already, those things are crucial to learn. And those things could have taken you years and years and years and hundreds of thousands of dollars of stupid traditional education to learn. So no, it's not a scam. And if you still think that way, you need to really check yourself in the mirror. As a matter of fact, if you really think it's a scam, check your bank account balance. That'll show. Typically, the people running around saying it's a scam are people that have no money. You wonder why. So no, in my opinion, it's not I don't even think, it's not a scam. You are the scam.